Hello folks, I'm back to the vlog. This is now Wednesday's vlog. I'm now recording this intro on Wednesday evening. In this vlog today, you will see me travelling to the ice bowl, a bit of the ice bowl, because it was very quiet this morning, or this afternoon I should say. Then we went for lunch, then we went to the cinema, went to my nanny and grandma's, played bingo, came home, and I just finished my show be at the end of this vlog. So I hope you enjoy this vlog today. I will be back with views with the outro. So enjoy the vlog and let's get this vlog started.
Morning breath on open skin, golden light is settling in. No direction, no demand, just my feet on quiet land. The wind speaks low, I let it pass, like thoughts that never really last. Every step feels slow and true. Nothing here I need to prove.
Let's go to end this vlog from today now. Like this vlog from today, hit like, subscribe to my channel. Plan tomorrow all. It's my sister's birthday. Then we're going to Tok for her birthday. I'm going to the gym before that. Then yeah, be a good day tomorrow. So till tomorrow for the vlog. Thanks for watching.